Not only is our new shelving better for the van, it's also able to accommodate customers' needs, no matter how much weight they want to put on the shelves. We know our shelving is strong, but to find out the actual strength of our shelf trays, we'll be putting our shelving and a competitor's to the ultimate weight test. We're loading 66-pound bags on both of these shelves in an attempt to find whose is stronger. As you can see, our shelving is holding the load. It's built to handle the weight. As for the competition, see for yourself. So the clear winner here is Ranger Design. Built to last, our new shelving shows quality at its best. Ranger Design, proud to be tough.